kan long ka jingkar khu ga bakrao na ka bentau ba justi passing rent thiang ubana ka shnang maublei ha west khasiel district haba ha ka arpunyo tre unai lor a ja arpoi ulayo da ka wheelchair ka belongkum ka scooter ka bayat yakni la IT do mentri rang ba ka jalau kondor ke sangma ringkar ka jeda langgi menteri sarkar barki officer uba justi passing ubamla bariat henry bonsin ushusong ha ka wheelchair war ha ka yengsa udai uba juthan mula ha yeng ban pindap ela ka jong ka yeng ka sem Dangshan lingba kani ke jingtrai kam jong ula job ek challenge entrepreneur kabade ke jacob na kabanta ki samla ki beseng kam la jong.
According to 2011 census, we have the report of around 44,000 people, and out of this, disability cards given has been around maybe around 37,000. So as of now, the kind of UDID card, what is called the disability cards, the achievement for the state of Meghalaya has come to nearly 60%. So that way we are still to achieve much more. So we are in the progress of covering the entire lot that will benefit the disabled people. Through these UDID cards, they can avail the different benefits.
Ubaran tathiang usamla uba kari khasi channel kala yolat banya kendo yo u hakini snam bala dab hamau blai tang ba ulong unong than mulao patabit hindre udeiru unong ruai upatabit baru bajurwai bhai ki jirwai nyam bar unang ru bantem gitar
Samla bon sin ngo haji thala able yarab yangi bangin kyu khan sadro ha du bangin dayo ban posha
Usamla justi passing ulapan pau ke jinso kemen ban yo kum kani ka wheelchair ka ban long ka jerap ka bakrao yo